We're about to see the biggest IPO in recent times, with Uber looking to raise around $10 billion, which would value them just shy of $90 billion. There's a unique way that cryptocurrency investors and traders can take advantage of this, actually trading Uber using crypto, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello, I'm David Jones from Currency.com. It's arguably the most hotly anticipated IPO for some time. We are expecting Uber very shortly to offer at least some of its company out there on the market. It should value Uber just shy of $100 billion. And there is a way, if you are a cryptocurrency investor or trader, that you can take advantage of this using crypto. So trading movements in the Uber price using crypto. So we're going to talk about that today. You do it via Currency.com. So you don't end up buying or selling the shares. You're trading what are tokenized securities of the shares, but they move the same way the share price does. As usual, I think the best way of explaining this is to take a look at the platform, see how it works. Then we'll have a look at some Uber facts and figures ahead of their IPO. So here's the Currency.com platform. So clearly we can't show Uber just yet because it hasn't IPO'd. But let's take a look. Let's take a look at Apple, how the tokenized security of Apple has moved, to get a feel for this. So here we have the chart for the Apple tokenized security going back to the beginning of the year, and you can see it's trading at $200. It's the latest price we have. So it's important to stress you're not actually buying the shares, but you can use your cryptocurrency in all sorts of markets, including Uber, to buy a tokenized security that moves, as this one has, moves up and down with the underlying share price. So it's a way of getting exposure to these other assets using your crypto to buy, or of course sell, if you think the price is going to go down, tokenized securities based on these companies' share price. Let's take a quick look at the two headline numbers for Uber. They're expected to be valued somewhere in the $90 to $100 billion valuation area when they debut on the market. The company lost $3 billion in 2018. Like plenty of these high-profile, massive IPOs, they are still loss-making. And Uber said a couple of weeks back that they may never turn a profit. Let's take a look at some of the other Uber facts. They see their business as not just ride sharing. There is, of course, Uber Eats, the food delivery service, and they're also staking quite a bit on the potential for having self-driving cars in the future. So maybe they can even do without drivers. The company estimates the market for its products is somewhere in the region of $12 trillion, taking into account all of its businesses. Some people think that's somewhat on the over-optimistic side. The growth rate for Uber in 2018 was 42%. That is a big number, but it is down from the 106% growth seen in 2017. One of the challenges facing Uber is that it's not the only ride-sharing business in town. Many of its drivers work for both Uber and Lyft, which was a ride-sharing business that IPO'd back in April. If it does achieve this near $100 billion valuation when it IPOs, then that would equal the value of Facebook when they came to the market in 2012. So it's as straightforward as that. If you're a crypto investor or a crypto trader, you want to take advantage of this, there's a link down below to go to open your account with Currency.com. So if you click on that, you can start setting that up now. And of course, to never miss out on the content we produce here on our YouTube channel, just make sure you're subscribed by clicking subscribe, and the alarm bell notification means you get a push message from YouTube every time we upload new content. But from me, David Jones, and Currency.com, this quick look ahead to the Uber IPO and how you can trade it with crypto. We'll wrap things up there. Good luck with your trading.